Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah bin Masud has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that there rose a difference of opinion between him and Hur bin Qais bin Hasan Fazari, that whether Hazrat Khazar alayhi salam was the companion of Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam. Meanwhile, Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by them. So Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu called him and said, there has occurred a difference of opinion between me and him about Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam and his companion to meet whom he asked the way. So have you heard anything about him from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam? He thereupon replied, yes, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam say, while Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam was sitting in a meeting of Banu Israel, a man came to him and submitted, is there anyone more knowledgeable than you? Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam replied, no. Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam thereupon was revealed, why not? Our bondsman Khazr is the same one. Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam whereupon asked the way to meet him. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made the fish a sign for him and said, when you miss the fish, come back, for you will meet him right there. So Hazrat Moses alayhi salam returned observing the trace of the fish in the sea. So Hazrat Musa's companion said to him, please see, when we took rest near that rock, then undoubtedly I forgot the fish, and the Satan, devil, made me forget so that I may mention it, and it took its way in the sea. It is strange. Surah Kahf, verse 63. Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam then said, that is what we wanted. Then turned back, retracing their footsteps. Surah Kahf, verse 64. And they found Hazrat Khazar alayhi salam. He then mentioned the narration of both of them, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has described in the chapter Kahf. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7478.